morning, everyone. My name is Sergeant Cody Norrell. I work with the United States Marine Corps Recruiting at RSS Montebello. So what I'm going to be doing today is showing you how to tie a tie. So the first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to look at that tie and locate that seam that's on the back. Once you find that, you're going to place that on your neck with the thick side being on your right and the thin side being on your left. Once you do that, you're going to pull it down and you're going to have the thick side to where the tip is about to your knee. So to start tying the tie, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to wrap it and you're going to create an X right in front of that top button. Once you have that X created, you're going to pull it through and it's going to fall right back onto the left. After you do it on the left, you're going to wrap it all the way around the back. It's going to have the seam facing away from you now. And you're going to tuck it through the front and pull it all the way through again. So again, the seam's going to still be facing away from you. You're going to wrap it around all those lines that you just made. You're going to bring it through the back one more time. And then that flap that you made, you're going to stuff the thick part of the tie right into that. Pull it tight, and then slide it up to your neck, and now you have the Windsor knot.